Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. It's going to be your daily reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Libras, what's coming up? Okay, guys. Okay, I'll be picking 5 cards from this deck, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. Now you'll be able to see the cards. Okay. Okay, Libras. So today you're learning something, okay? You're getting some information, maybe it's in your work or in your personal life, okay? Some information about people around you or about something to do with your work, okay? Uh, about some projects, okay, whatever it is, and maybe some secrets also, okay, about your person or about your family members, okay. So and you may feel inspired also, okay. These cards are suggesting that, okay, and people may be helping you out today, okay, or you may be helping out people. You may be participating in some kind of social activity, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting, guys, and you're learning something, okay. So you are what to say, you are reaching um, conclusion, okay. You're finding out about something, you're getting information about something, and what you were doubting, okay. Maybe you had certain doubts, okay, in your work or in your personal life with your person, maybe regarding this relationship, okay. So it is concluding today. You're based on the information you're getting, okay, you're making that decision, guys, okay, and your doubts are clearing up, okay. It may be positive or negative, guys, and it may be your energy or your person's energy, okay. So it works vice versa. So that is the um, energy I'm getting here, and you're feeling burdened because of it, okay, maybe because of the information, or maybe feeling responsible, okay. You want to move into commitment, okay. So some kind of conclusion, you're reaching some kind of conclusion today, okay, completion, and you're feeling very responsible because of that, okay. Maybe your person wants commitment, or maybe you're accepting love, okay, if you were single till now, okay. So you have made up your mind now, okay, and that may be the energy. You have made up your mind about this person, and you want to take it forward, positive step, okay. You're accepting that relationship, maybe, okay. So that is the energy I'm getting here. uh, you may feel what to say, inspired today, because of the information. You may feel influenced by the information you're getting, and your activities may be based on that. So that is also the energy I'm getting here. And some of you all may be participating in some kind of uh, communal activity, some charity activities, okay, and you're definitely reaching a conclusion, guys, a completion. So that is a strong energy here I'm getting, Libras. So I'll be picking out more cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. You're taking a big step, guys. That is the energy here. So you're deciding on something, you're making up your mind regarding something, okay. You're clearing doubts, okay, today, and you have reached a conclusion about the matter you were so worried about for so long today, Libras. So that is the energy here. Let me pick out 3 cards from the other deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Draw. Okay. Generosity. Nurture your dreams. Nurture your dreams. Okay, guys. I'll place this card here. Okay. Okay, Libras. So with the information what you're getting today, okay, some kind of knowledge about the maybe some situation what you are facing, so you will be thinking over what to do today and how to act. In your mind you may be thinking based on the decision what you took, maybe completion of some kind of uh, situation, guys. Maybe you understood certain doubts, okay, some doubts were cleared. So you are just taking time to think over and think clearly and observe about the situation and come to a decision, move what to do next, okay. So you're just taking time to decide, guys. At the same time you are thinking over your dreams and goals to achieve and the path you should take to reach those goals. So even smaller things, whatever you do, smaller actions may affect your goals. So you need to be sure to follow your dreams. You should just follow your gut feeling, whatever you feel in your intuition, whatever is right. So that way you will know that it is a correct action and it will correctly lead you to your goal. So that is the energy here, guys. It will help you to realize your dreams and purpose of your life. So once you learn to go with your intuition, whatever you feel is right in a particular situation, it will surely lead you to the correct kind of action, guys. And with this generosity card, I truly feel you're going to help somebody with your time, energy, or with some kind of financial assistance. So that is the energy here. You may be participating in some kind of communal activities, some charities, fundraisers, something of that sort. So that is the energy here, Libras. So you have come to a conclusion, guys. You have reached what to say, you will know, you will get the knowledge about things today what you were so much worried about till now. So that is the energy here, Libras. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, Libras. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.